often when you're doing PPC, pay-per-click advertising, you have to stick brackets or quotes or pluses around or in front of each word. Now, if you don't do PPC, this won't make a whole lot of sense to you, but if you do PPC, you know that brackets mean that you're going to look for an exact match word when you're targeting this term. And so if you have a list of keywords here and I click our function, we've just now put brackets before and after every word in our list. I can undo that and do the same thing with quotes. Quotes in PPC is a phrase match term, and now we've done the same thing with our quotes. And we can do it with the plus as well. In this case, we've put a plus in front of each term. Now, depending on which PPC platform you're using, you might actually just use the plus in front of the word and sometimes on the entire word itself, like we've done here. Either way, we have these three functions here which you can use for your PPC campaign.